Inclusion is important to remember when we consider motor activities and the need to ensure that all children can participate. When you think about motor development and looking at gross motor, fine motor, and exploring with your senses, it is important to think about children with disabilities, especially those who have motor delays. Children may not be able to easily move through the environment and practice these skills, so we need to make sure that they also have a chance to be exposed to movement activities and explore the environment in whatever way is possible for them. This resource emphasizes the importance of including all children and some simple ideas for including children with differing abilities in activities. I want to challenge you to think creatively about setting up activities to promote movement. Dance is always a great way to do this, but you can also promote movement in all activities. Even if you are working on fine motor skills, you can set these up so that children can stand and move around. This can be done by setting up several activities for children to choose from. They can move from station to station, standing by the table or sitting on the floor. Try to let children work as they are comfortable and do not force them to sit down together and all work on the same project. Practice is important for both large motor and small motor skills. Sometimes it is easier to focus on the small motor. This takes up less room and is also something that is usually targeted in school readiness for such skills as writing. Large muscle skills, though, are equally as important. These can be practiced in small places if you think creatively. These resources include some ideas for promoting fine motor skills and ideas for some gross motor skills that don't take up a lot of space. Review these resources and think about activities that you can share with parents. What are some things that you can include in your story times or other activities that you do with families and young children? As you are doing this type of activity, what is an aside that you could share with parents? How do the motor skills you are practicing help children become better prepared for school? What are the later skills that these activities are supporting?